हामी डेरिभेटिभ अफ कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड सुरु गरिसकेका थियौँ। सो त्यसको अन्तर्गत हामीले तीनटा डेरिभेटिभ अलरेडी पढिसकेका छौँ। सो फर्स्ट हामीले पढ्ने भनेको एसिड एलाइड्स थियो, त्योभित्र हामीले क्लोराइडको बारेमा पढ्यौँ। सो सेकेन्डली हामीले एसिड एमाइड पढ्यौँ। त्यसपछि हामीले इस्टर पढिसकेका छौँ। सो अब लास्ट भनेको एसिड एनहाइड्राइड। सो यो सँगै हाम्रो डेरिभेटिभ अफ कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड सकिन्छ। सो अब एसिड एनहाइड्राइडको फङ्सनल ग्रुप के हो? सो आर COOCO R dash. So this is considered as the in this COOCO. This is considered as the functional group, and the whole is considered as the molecular formula of acid anhydride. अब यसको नेमिङ नोमेनक्लेचर। सो हामीले एसिड एनहाइड्राइडलाई दुई तरिकाले नेमिङ गर्न सक्छौँ। सो फर्स्ट थिङ इज युजिङ IUPAC सिस्टम, सेकेन्डली भनेको कमन नेम। सो इन IUPAC हामीले एसिड एनहाइड्राइडलाई अल्कानोइक एनहाइड्राइड भन्छौँ। and in common name it is called as acid anhydride. अब केही इक्जाम्पलबाट यसलाई क्लियर गरौँ। सो हेयर CH3COOCOCH3 यसमा इन आइयुपिएसी इट अल्कानोइक एनहाइड्राइड। सो यसमा कतिवटा नम्बर अफ इन दिस द नम्बर अफ कार्बन काउन्ट गर्नु पर्यो। सो इफ इन यो COOCO, सो यहाँ भन्दा यतातिर and this side, so this is connected as left side, this is right side. सो अब लेफ्ट साइड एन्ड राइट साइड दुवैमा नम्बर अफ कार्बन सिमिलर छ भने हामीले त्यसलाई एउटा नेमले मात्र भन्न सक्छौँ। फर इक्जाम्पल इन दिस CH3COO and CH3, सो हेयर दिस इज वान एन्ड यो भनेको अर्को। सो यसमा पनि नम्बर अफ कार्बन भनेको 2C, यसमा पनि नम्बर अफ कार्बन 2C, सो द्याट इज डिनोटेड बाई इथ। सो यसको सिम्पली नेम इथेनोइक एनहाइड्राइड, और इन कमन नेम सिस्टम इट इज कल्ड एज एसिड एनहाइड्राइड। सो एसिडमा एसिटिक एनहाइड्राइड, इट इज क्वाइट सिम्पल। बट नाउ इन दिस केस हेयर CH3COOC2H5. now this side number of carbon is 3C and this side number of carbon is 2C. So for this we have to use prop and for this we have to use eth. यस्तो केसमा के गरिन्छ? अल्फाबेटिकल वाइज दुईटा लेख्नु पर्यो। सो हेयर इथेनोइक फर्स्टमा E आएर, then after P propanoic, then anhydride. So the number of carbon left side and right side different छ भने we have to use both root. So ethanoic, propanoic, anhydride. But in common name system it is simply noted as acetic and propionic anhydride. So these are the two common names of their parent carboxylic acid. Now again here C2H5, COOCO, C2H5. Here this side and this side, यो दुईटैमा कार्बन काउन्ट गर्यो भने कति हुन्छ? यहाँ पनि 3C हो, यहाँ पनि 3C. So for 3C we use prop. So it is simply a propanoic anhydride, and in common name यसको parent carboxylic acid को common name मा के युज हुन्छ? प्रोपियोनोइक. So I guess यहाँ हल्का मिस्टेक छ propionic, so here P is missing. So propionic anhydride. So this is about the nomenclature of acid anhydride. Now preparation. So preparation of acid anhydride using carboxylic acid. So acid anhydride is prepared by heating two molecules of carboxylic acid with a strong dehydrating agent that may be P2O5 or B2O5. So जति बेला दुईटा कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिडको मोलिक्युललाई हामी ट्रिट गराउँछौँ इन द प्रेजेन्स अफ एनी डिहाइड्रेटिङ एजेन्ट. डिहाइड्रेटिङ एजेन्ट भनेको के हो? यस्तो एजेन्ट जसले वाटर लुज गर्न मद्दत पुर्याउँछ. So they are considered as a dehydrating agent. So firstly the one molecule, so this is the one molecule. Second molecule भनेको सजिलो छ भनेर plus HO. So this is the one molecule and this is the next molecule. So these two are the two molecules of carboxylic acid. When they are treated using a strong dehydrating agent, so dehydrating agent ले आफ्नो काम गर्छ, there will be a loss of water, it is minus H2O, and the remaining will be added together, so that will be RCOOCO and R. So this is considered as the acid anhydride. So this is the mechanism for the preparation of acid anhydride. अब एउटा example हेरौँ. So here is the acetic acid. So when two molecules of acetic acid are merged or combined together in the presence of P2O5 as a dehydrating agent, it gives acetic anhydride, that is CH3COO, CH3COO, COCH3. So it is named as acetic anhydride. Now the physical properties. So the lower members are colorless liquid having sharp irritating smell. Higher members are colorless solid. So हामीले यो भन्न सक्छौँ कि एसिड एनहाइड्राइड को जुन लोअर मेम्बर्स छ लाइक दोज compounds or organic solvent जसको number of carbon जनमा 3 to 4 सम्म हुन्छ भने they are considered as lower members. So these they are liquid in nature and colorless, whereas higher member जुनसँग कार्बन more than 4 छ भने they are considered as high members and they are solid in nature. Secondly, they are generally insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvents. So other organic solvents they are soluble, but in water they are insoluble because they cannot form intermolecular H bond. So again they have higher boiling point than parent carboxylic acid. अब boiling point को कुरा गरे भने acid anhydride are high boiling point as compared to their parent carboxylic acid. Now some physical properties सकेपछि chemical properties. So in chemical properties, first one is hydrolysis. So hydrolysis भनेपछि there must be the addition of water. So when carboxylic acid, when acid anhydride is treated with water, it gives carboxylic acid. So carboxylic acid बनाउन hydrolysis you can use. Next is ammonolysis. Ammonolysis भनेको addition of ammonia. So when ammonia is added to acetic anhydride, it converts into acetamide, that is acid amide formation गर्छन् plus carboxylic acid. So we can obtain carboxylic acid and acid amide by using the ammonolysis in acidic anhydride. Second one भएपछि हाम्रो थर्ड अल्कोहोलाइसिस. अल्कोहोलाइसिस भएपछि इट इज क्वाइट अभियस हामी एल्कोहललाई ट्रिट गराउँछौँ हाम्रो एसिड एनहाइड्राइडसँग सो वेन एसिड एनहाइड्राइड is treated with alcohol. So when it is treated with alcohol, it gives ethyl acetate, that is the ester, and acetic acid यो भनेको हाम्रो carboxylic acid. So we can obtain the ester and carboxylic acid by the alcoholysis of acid anhydride. Next reaction is reduction reaction. So in reduction reaction, acetic anhydride is reduced in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride into ethanol, that is alcohol. So हामीले भन्न सक्छौं acid is reduced to alcohol. So acid anhydride is reduced to alcohol using reducing agent like lithium aluminum hydride. The next reaction is action with PCl5. So when the acid anhydride is acted with PCl5, it gives acetyl chloride, that is acid anhydride acted with PCl5 to give acid chloride. So we can obtain acid chloride using the acid anhydride, and here PuCl3 is the byproduct. Now the reactivity order of acid derivatives. हामीले चारवटा acid derivative पढ्यौं. फर्स्टमा acid chloride, secondly acid amide, thirdly ester, and fourth one is acid anhydride. So त्यसको order यस प्रकार रहेछ. Acid chloride has the maximum reactivity, then after acid anhydride, त्यसपछि ester, and lastमा acid amide. So from this we can see that दुईटा कुरा, amide has least reactivity and acid chloride has maximum reactivity. So यो सँगै हाम्रो डेरिभेटिभ अफ कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड पनि सक्यो. अब हामीले नेक्स्ट भिडियोमा नेक्स्ट च्याप्टर सुरु गर्छौं. थ्यांक यू.